Hey my loves and my lovelies, welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Leave your comments down below. Like and share this video. For my returning family, hey y'all. Okay, let's jump right on to this video. So as you can see, I ordered pop-on smiles. I don't smile that much, so let's see if we can get a temporary solution until we can get a permanent solution. So what comes in the kit? Well, let me start over. I ordered them about 4 days ago. So the impression kit just came in. What came in the impression kit is the putty. You get 3 blue, with 3 white, 3 blue, 3 mouthpieces. This piece here, 2 pair of gloves, instruction pamphlet, nice, easy, simple instructions. Okay, so I'm finna go brush my teeth and get started. Okay guys, here we go. Let me add my gloves. I just brushed my teeth. Hold on, y'all. Okay, guys, I had to go get Mari on the phone so I can start the timer. It says set your timer to 6 minutes and 30 seconds. So we got our 6 minutes and 30 seconds. Okay, it says mix 1 blue to 1 white. Okay, so we got our white out. And then it says, yeah, mix 1 blue to 1 white. Use your fingers to mix. Knead and fold with fingers until achieving a uniform blue color. No white color should show. Roll the putty into a log with your palms. Okay, start the timer. They sent 3 sets, so we would do this 3 times. And just keep kneading it until there is no white showing. Feels like Play-Doh. Y'all, I'm super duper excited for this new smile, this new temporary smile. That way I can show my face in videos to you guys. Okay, and then it says take your, hold on, it says roll it into a log in your palms. The screen went off, y'all. It say the timer should say 5:45. Okay, so we take the poker and we cut it in half. Hold on, let's start that over, y'all. Because it said the palm of your hand. It should be the size of the palm of your hand. Okay, that's the size of the palm of my hand. And then we cut it in half. And then we place it into the mold. This is the top of the mold. And that's the bottom. So we're going to shape it of this shape and set it in there. Then we're going to turn it upside down on a piece of plastic. Press it out. And then we're going to add the second piece to the bottom for the bottom. Oh, it's already setting, y'all. Okay. Poke 2 holes in the middle. Like that. Okay, y'all, it's been 5 minutes. And I don't think I did that one right at all. It's just my front teeth, really. That's the bottom. That's the top. But I don't have a gum line. So I know I didn't do that one right. But Jesus, well. Okay, y'all, I had to put y'all on pause because you're supposed to leave it in for 5 minutes. 4 to 5 minutes. So I didn't want to let y'all just sit there and just watch me look crazy while this shit getting hard in my mouth. It hurts. So I'm finna go ahead on and do the second one. And I'm going to do it off camera because I can't be focused on this and y'all at the same time. So I'll be back in a few minutes. Okay, guys. This is my second one. A whole lot better. Excuse the spit that's dropping, but you know your mouth going to be watered when you do this. But it's a whole lot better than the first one. Because it got my gum line on both sides and everything. So yes, the second try was good. It was really good. On this second try. So it might work out after all, y'all. Okay, and I got one more to go. And then I'm going to put these suckers back in the box and I'm going to ship them off. And I should be receiving my veneers in like 2 weeks. I told you I couldn't do it and then be recording at the same time because I'm worried about you know, being there for y'all and then being there for myself too. So this is something super duper important to me. So I had to put myself first, y'all. The first one just sucked. That's why I hurt it so bad. Because I mixed it too long and it took too long to, you know. This one, I mixed it and put it right on in my mouth. I was done. They said no cracks in it. So I'm looking for cracks. But it look good. So let me go ahead on and do the third one. The final last one. Top, bottom. Let me get it out. And ain't no sense in asking for a before look of my teeth, because y'all know I'm not finna fully show this mouth. But just know I ain't been happy with it in 30 some years. And I don't have $10,000 for no implants. Okay, let me start my timer again. Six minutes and 30 seconds. I should be through mixing it at 5 minutes and 45 seconds. So, let's see. Start the timer. Mix. I hate mixing this stuff, especially on a timer, and they don't give you nothing but a few minutes to do it. Like a few seconds to do it, really. Not even a minute. You don't even have a minute to mix this shit before we get rock hard. Okay, roll it to the size of the palm of your hand. Cut it in half with the stick. Place the first one in the top of the mold and press it down on a piece of plastic. And then put the bottom in. Flip it over, press it down on the plastic. This is what it look like, y'all. Poke 2 holes in the middle for your front teeth. Ugh. Woo. This one good too, yeah. It looked like the picture. I mean, not the teeth, of course. But the examples they gave. They look good. I got drool everywhere. It look good as the second one. See, y'all owe me because I messed up my first one messing around with y'all. They almost identical. But you know folks can't hold their mouth right. And I'm finna go get in my truck or my car and go mail these suckers off. This is what it's supposed to look like. I think mine look like that. Two of them anyway. I think two of them look like that. And then one of them look like the messed up example. So, I guess I will see you guys in the next video. And of course, I'm going to do some updates. If y'all want some updates, just let me know. Leave it down in the comments. If you're new to the channel, like I said, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Hit that notification bell so you will know when your girl is on. And if you are a part of the family permanently and have already subscribed, go ahead and hit that thumbs up on this video and leave your comments down below. Y'all know I like to read the comments and interact with you guys. So I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.